Hi guys, my name is Atar and today topic is threat intelligence. Threat intelligence is the process of gathering, analyzing and sharing information about existing threats to an organization's security. It involves identifying, categorizing and prioritizing threats as well as providing context and recommendation for mitigation. Threat intelligence details. Types of threats. Tactical focus on technical details of threats. Operational examining the tactics and techniques, procedures of threats. Strategic looks at the motivation, goals and capabilities of threat actors. Threat intelligence resources. Open source intelligence, human intelligence, signal intelligence, malware analysis, network analysis, traffic. 3 intelligence life cycle. Threat intelligence life cycle. Planning and direction, collection, analysis, dissemination and feedback. Threat intelligence use. Incident response, vulnerability management, risk assessment, security awareness and strategic planning. Threat intelligence benefits. Enhance situational awareness, improve incident response, better decision making, increase efficiency, reduce risk, threat intelligence challenges, information overload, data quality issues, integration with existing tools, scalability, talent acquisition and retention. Threat intelligence help organizations stay ahead of emergency threats, make informed decisions and optimize their security posture. Threat intelligence feeds. STIX Structured Threat Information Expression. TAXITXE Trusted Automated Exchange of Intelligence Information. OpenIOC Open Indicators of Compromise. MISP Malware Information Sharing Platform. Tools of threat intelligence are threat intelligence platform, security information and event management systems, incident response platform, vulnerability management tools, malware analysis sandboxes, threat intelligence techniques, network traffic analysis, endpoint monitoring, malware reverse engineering, social media monitoring, dark web monitoring. Threat intelligence best practices. Continuous monitoring and update these threat intelligence, validate and verify threat intelligence, integrate threat intelligence with security existing tools, train personnel on threat intelligence, share threat intelligence with relevant stakeholders. Threat intelligence for specific industries, finance and banking, healthcare and retail, commerce, government and defense, energy and utilities. Threat intelligence for specific threats, ransomware, phishing and social media engineering, advanced and persistent threats, zero-day exploits, IoT threats. These intelligence is a constantly evolving field and stay up to date with the latest technique, tools and best practices is crucial for effective threat intelligence. Importance of threat intelligence. Enhance situational awareness. Threat intelligence provides context and understanding of the threat landscape, enabling organizations to make informed decisions, improving incident response. Threat intelligence helps organizations respond to incidents more effectively, reducing the impact of attack. Better decision making. Threat intelligence informs strategic decision, enabling organizations to prioritize resources and optimize security investment. Increase efficiency. Threat intelligence automates and streamlines security processes, reducing manual effort and improving productivity. Reduce risk. Threat intelligence identify and mitigate potential threats, reduce the risk of attacks and data breaches. Compliance and regulatory requirement. Threat intelligence helps organizations meet compliance and regulatory requirements, avoiding the legal and financial consequences. Competitive advantage. Organizations with mature threat intelligence capability can differentiate themselves from competitors and establish a leadership position. Cost saving. Threat intelligence reducing the cost associated with incident response, remediation and downtime. Improve security posture. Threat intelligence enables organizations to productively strengthen their security posture, reducing vulnerabilities and weakness. Staying ahead of threat energies. Threat intelligence help organizations stay ahead of threats.